Kaya from National Bookstore. Ito po, ayan. Ang National Bookstore ay wala na ring logo. Ang kanyang ordinary paper bag. So, ito ang ating, ayan. Tagalan natin gustong bilhin yan. It's a planner, Dreamer planner. So, ayan. Let's unbox our Dreamer planner. So, ayan po. Tagalan natin. We wish to have this. Ayan siya. It talks about, ayan, 12 new chapters. Ayan. So, you have to write January, February, March, April. So, the whole year. You have to write per month yung iyong mga 12 chapters, 365. Then, I can and I will. Ayan. So, to-do list, meetings, targeted, important times, and birthdays. Ayan. It's a good day to be happy. Ayan. So, it's a planner, guided planner. A year of workouts. What's inside. So, my thoughts, my dreams, my wish. Ayan. So, self-love, superpower. Make your cards. Ayan, hello. Congratulations. Take care. Thank you. Well done. Ayan, congratulations. Ayan. Next will be never have I ever. So, ito yung mga nakasulat. Never have ever been lost, been on TV. Ayan, mga ever, di ba ibang experiences. Blow your tears away. Ayan. 52-week savings challenge. Tapos mga savings. Ayan po. You can place. I believe in myself. Learning, growing, evolving. Inhale, calm, exhale, stress. Strive for progress, not perfection. Ayan. I choose to be kind to myself. So, parang mga sticker na we can use sa ating planner. Beautiful paper. With love, congratulations. Thank you sa mga card we can give to our friends, to our people sa office. Hope plans means, ayan. I plan, I hope, I can dream. Ayan, oh. Ayan, so, medyo kasi maliliit po yung font, medyo hindi ganun kaliwanag ang ating light. Highlights of the week. Ayan, accomplishments. Resolution, self-care, goals. Ayan. Blank page, journal mo siya. Dito yung journal page mo. Yun, pare-pareho lang. Hope plans means highlights of the week. So, blank page siya. So, yun, paulit-ulit lang yata. So, all throughout yun yung nakalagay. Highlights of the week. So, your plans for the week. Yun lang pala. So, it's basically a notebook with some guided thoughts lang, no? So, anyway, yan. We bought it for 309. sa National Bookstore. Thank you, Popsy, for this planner. Ayan. You can write here yung mga na-mention kong topics. You can have our 2024 planner. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. So let's document our plans, dreams for 2024. God bless you all.